back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this masterpiece. This is the Nokia TA-1030. So that's the SIM card inside. Then the SD card just goes right on top, flush. Then the battery, you have to put it according to the connection slot. And it goes. And then you close the unit itself and you have your phone ready. Right, so starting up the phone is really simple. All you have to do is press the decline button. So you'll be greeted with this beautiful startup sound and this beautiful splash screen. And the wallpaper is amazing. So going to the camera app, you can see the camera quality isn't the best. It's at most 2 megapixels. But you can see that it takes amazing photos for a Nokia of its caliber. And just so you know, using the SD card is an essential because it stores the photos in the SD card, or else it's going to use up the storage on your phone, which doesn't store a lot of photos. So you can see this is stored on the SD card. Now we are going to go and review the games. It does come with a few games, but the thing is we cannot really play it at the moment because it's not really working on this phone. But if you want to install games, we will be reviewing that later. So this is like a full-fledged app store, but it doesn't really have communication right now because the service for the app store is down. Now, moving on, this is the Opera browser, Opera Mini for the Nokia phones. You can install this on any phone that's running on Symbian because this phone is running on Symbian OS. So this Opera Mini browser is installed by default on this phone. But you can really explore, the different websites that you have today, HTTPS protocol, it really works. So yeah, it's a really nice phone for its age. So the radio requires a radio accessory, sadly. And this is just the settings. And we are going to be reviewing the audio. So as you can see, the default ringtones are pretty good, but you can record your own ringtones and upload it. I will make a video on that later as well. So do not worry, guys. I got this. That's it, guys, for the review today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope you guys consider buying this phone as your first phone, or the first phone for your children, or someone you know who can really use a digital detox. See you guys in the next one.